Hey my loves, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time tuning in, thank you so much for clicking on my video. So guys, in today's video I just want to put my hair in braids. I try to make loose braids, though the loose braids are not loose braiding, but I just want to make them look fuller, as in when I'm making twists, so that my hair looks full and not tiny as normal braids looks like. Okay, so right here I'm parting my hair to separate the front side from the back side. I've been styling my hair a lot recently and I have lost so much length. I also trimmed my hair early this year around January time. I trimmed my hair and I'm still struggling with Hansen hair syndrome. If you don't know what Hansen hair syndrome is, it is just that persistent urge of touching your hair and pulling out any knots that you come across. Yes, Hansen hair syndrome is what I am dealing with right now, and I think putting my hair away will help me control it. And also wearing scarves, hair bonnets is also a way of controlling it, but I can't wear hair bonnets and scarves all the time, so I still find myself pulling out my hair. Guys, if you're struggling with Hansen hair syndrome, let me know in the comments. And if you have find a way to stop it, let me also know the practices that you took. But for me, I think putting my hair away will help me manage that Hansen hair syndrome that I have. So guys, this is me parting my hair, trying to make my loose braids. Guys, I don't know why the braids aren't as loose as I want them to be, but they still got a little bit of volume, which is what I want. I didn't want my hair to be very tiny as normal braids looks like. Normal braids are very tiny, and after making it your hair still looks scanty. So that is why I try to make my braids a little bit loose, so that my hair is going to look full. Okay, I don't know how long I'll be keeping those braids. I plan on leaving them for a month or more. I'll still be styling my hair, but I want to be styling my hair now in a long-term protective hairstyle. That is hairstyles that can last for a month. Then I will take them out and install another hairstyle that will last for another month. That is the kind of hairstyles I want to be making now, not the one that will last me just for 2 days and I will take it down, make another one, carry it for 2 days and I will take it down. That is really having a huge toll on my hair growth. Like, I have lost so much length, guys. Apart from the Hansen hair syndrome and trimming my hair, I have lost so much length in manipulating my hair every day, trying to put them in one hairstyle or the other, just for the purpose of creating hairstyle content online. If you're a natural hairstyle content creator, you will really understand what I am saying and what I am passing through. It is not easy to style your hair all the time just to create content. Your hair will be suffering. Yes, your hair will be suffering because of all that manipulation. So guys, I will leave you all to watch this video to the end. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, like this video, share this video, drop a comment for me in the comment section. Alright, so keep watching. I will talk to you guys later. lovely. Just have in mind that before I started making this braid, I had already moisturized my hair and applied my hair butter. So here my hair is getting dry. I decided to apply more hair butter, and I didn't sprinkle water on my hair again because I just don't want to. I don't want to mess up my arms right now, so that is why I didn't go ahead and sprinkle more water. But we are finally coming to the end of the braiding, and guys, braiding your own hair is really an arm workout. Like, you'll be wondering why you have toned arms. Just know that it is braiding your hair that is causing it. That always keeping your hands upwards and braiding your hair, your muscles are tensing up and giving you toned arms. So guys, that is the benefit you get when you braid your hair by yourself, though it is time consuming, and sometimes you just want to give up at the middle of the whole braiding, but you just have to keep doing it. Guys, I can't remember the last time I went to the salon. Like, I've always made my hair, and it's been long since I added extensions on my hair. I added extensions on my hair in the last time I did that was 2023 December, and also 2023 February. That was the last time I added extensions to my hair. If you ask me if I'll be using extensions again, yes I will, but not now. So guys, we're finally done with braiding my whole hair, and I'm trying to sprinkle water on them just to make them lay flat. You know, water can soften your hair and also make them lay flat, so that is why I'm sprinkling water. Guys, this is what my hair looks like. My hair used to be longer than this, but just look at how it looks. Oh my god. So guys, my hair, the loose braids came out well. Like, the braids are loose. I can see that they are loose, which is the outcome that I'm looking for. So I'll just go ahead and pack my hair together, lay down my edges, and that is it for today's video. Thank you so much guys. If you have watched to this extent, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button, like this video, share this video, and also drop a comment for me in the comment section. Thank you so much guys, and I will see you all in my next upload.